We managed to get almost 5,000 miles before this truck broke down on me. In this video, we're going to talk about exactly what went wrong, what the symptoms were when I got towed to the dealership, what they were able to figure out. So it'll be the problem, symptoms, and solution all in one video. Press the on button, and this is what's happening. It says parking brake unavailable. You have the ready light, the hybrid ready light flashing in the left side corner. It says power on, system stopped. EPB activation stopped incompletely. Nothing's happening. So if I put it like in drive, it just says hybrid system stop, shift into park. You put it in neutral, reverse. The backup camera does come on. I put it back in park. I'll go ahead and turn it off again. You can see the park brake is flashing. We still have this message stopped incompletely. Turning it back on. The hybrid light's just flashing ready. Parking brake unavailable. So, messing with the parking brake, it doesn't do anything. Nothing's changing. Same error messages. System stopped, see owner's manual. So this is the error that I'm getting, and it will not power on at all whatsoever. So we're taking a look at the paperwork from the dealership. The message that we were getting, as you could see, it was the parking brake couldn't be disengaged. There was also other error messages and stuff, but it pretty much was just a bad cell in the auxiliary battery. So that's it. Just happened to be a bad battery. Thankfully, it wasn't anything serious.